So guys, there was a really bad hailstorm just like 30 minutes ago, and here's the aftermath. Look at that hail. That is all hail. Right there. Here, I'll open my window so you guys can see here. Yeah, this is all hail. Gosh. Oh my God, what the? There's something wrong with my window. But, yeah, that's the hail. This definitely had to damage people's cars. There were some as big as golf balls. Biggest hail I've ever seen, and probably worst hailstorm in Pennsylvania, or at least my neighborhood, because that is really big hail. As big as golf balls. I saw a ton of dents in my neighbor's cars when I just got off the bus, because I just got home from school. And that is the aftermath of the hailstorm in Ben Avon.